South London, and this project is a porcelain patio. So we have some samples of a porcelain patio. We've got our digger there ready. We are going to take a fence panel out, and we are going to, if you come through here into the garden, we are going to level out the garden, and we are going to take this new patio from here. We've got drainage here, and we are going to put some backhoe channel drainage all the way along. We're going to get rid of this. We're going to smash up this shed. We're going to destroy this with the digger. We're going to dig this down. We're going to put a wooden sleeper wall along here and along there. We're going to reduce this level down. We're going to create a nice patio. We're going to put some recessed manhole covers. And so this is going to be a large flat patio area. And this is going to end up being an absolutely fantastic usable space. We're also going to get this hedge out. This is going to get removed. And this tree's coming out. And I'll be honest with you, I'm really looking forward to smashing this thing up. But that's another, so I might include that in this video. But yeah, we're gonna get cracking, and we're gonna start reducing this and getting this sorted out and making a fantastic installation. Thank you. Let the destruction commence. So as you can see here, our machinery is there. We've got everything based out, we've got our sand there, got our groundwork in, we've got our sleepers. We're starting to form those and screw those in to create our boundary, and we will be ready to lay the porcelain paving. We've got that excavated out, the manhole in, and we are starting to install the drainage for the patio. Right guys, the installation over in Surrey is complete. The porcelain patio with the sleepers down, the recessed manhole covers. We've just given the client a nice temporary concrete area here. We've just made good of it, which is a little extra that we put in just to make this space more utilised. And as you can see over here, we've put our wooden sleepers in down the side. I'm putting dirty footprints over this fantastically cotton white porcelain, and as you can see, if you come around here, the sleepers, the edges are dressed, and we have got recessed manhole covers. We've got our drainage in, and we've got steps leading up onto the garden. This is a fantastic area. We've completely changed this space. It looks phenomenal. It's going to give the clients so many years, barbecues, just beautiful summer's days out on the patio, enjoying it, tables and chairs, friends round, etc. You know the rest. So if you like what you see, please get in touch via the website, via Facebook, via YouTube, comment, Instagram, Facebook, etc. If you like what you see, thanks for watching the video. I hope you like it. We're really pleased with this installation. You know, the client has said how much it's changed the space and how great it is. So thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.